the limited editions crystal kit. And everything you could ask for. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply the condensed glue gels on all of the entire whatever part of the nails left. And you see that how I spread it out to make sure that I don't leave really a thickness layer of the condensed glue gel, because we want to apply the crystal nicely without flooding like completely your crystals. So go ahead and I don't need the condensed glue gels unless I need more, but we need the no wipe top coat. Avoiding your crystal, but you can definitely seal your metal beads. And then we're gonna using some of this you can add some of this just, you know, to like fill it in.
And a quick reminder to everyone, today is the last day of our Mother's Day sale. You can get to 50% off on glitzaccessoryandsuch.com.
Okay, I'm gonna add some. You don't have to add everything on if you want, just like that. Just leave a little bit on. Also, you can add beads on, frame on, however you would like. I'll add some beads on. It's so adorable. It was really cool, perfect on the cute chamfer foil. I'm going to add some beads on along with the crystals. Keep in mind, you can definitely add more or as less. It's up to you and your clients. If the clients will prefer that, oh Nancy, I just don't want all the beads, then you can just leave the clients with all the crystals. But they want to look like a more like a fun, more jewelry look, you can definitely add it on. That's it. Looks really different. I like it a lot.